Yes, sir. So, my story name is Ajab Sahar Ki Gazab Kahani. So, in the one village, that two families are living live in the one village, and that village name is Patalpuram. And in this village, that two families live. So they so they have a more love for to each other, and they always share the only love, and they have emotions for about the happiness, loving, and many other emotions. So they always share their thoughts. And one day suddenly that one family number one that have seven members, and family number two that have five members, and in the first family number first have seven members. They all are the army officers and military officers. And in the second family that have five members, in this family had two doctors and three childrens. And 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 that see that other families jealous for their families. And one day suddenly that family number one get fever and many other complications. So they said to the family number two, please help help. And they take the help and they go to the hospitals, because in this family number two have two doctors. So they call their relatives and please come, and they send the ambulance. So they ambulance uh, so they give ambulance so छोड़ने हो गए थे drop in the hospital. And after that they started the surgery, and the family number two say, oh, you have a virus. That virus is very dangerous for us. We have no any antidote for this virus. We have no any medicines for this virus. So they can, what is the virus name? So they said coronavirus. And they said coronavirus. So they said, oh, we are trying to make the antidote and the medicine for this virus. And after that they try to make the antidote, but in this antidote they mix the poison, because they are not the uh, lovers and the careful person. They have the, so आतंकवादी क्या कहते हैं? Huh? Terrorist. They are the terrorists, and they change their clothes and live in the village. And after some time uh, and they give the injection for the gave the injection for the family number one, and they all got die because of the poison injection. And next day that news would come that uh, came. Yes, sir. News would answer. Published. The news published that family in this Patalpuram village, that one family got die because of the poison. So that in this village all people सतर्क का कहते हैं सर? सतर्क सतर्क careful. Be careful. So they so they said, oh, be careful and go to the safely place. Safe place, huh? Aware कहेंगे. Be aware. And they found the safely place. And after some time they found the safely place, and they leave their village. And one day and after one day that police would come. Would I? Police would I answer? Police came and arrest the terrorist, because in this village as also the one military officer that they complained for the police. Thank you.